Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the Google Meet link. So you can go to Gmail and select Google Meet, and you can select new meeting and select get a meeting link to share. So you have the meeting link. You can copy and share to others, or you can click share invite. Select the social media or just WhatsApp to share your link. Alright, that's how you can create the Google Meet link. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.